Right, okay.
Inanji kumira kuti munorambisisa ndechokwadi kuti vanenge vedu vakawanda nyangwe nesu andika ukaona munhu vanonge vari mumozi mama hapana kana anosevenza paya hatiti pavanodyiwa mari dzavo paya vanodyiwa zvinouya sei kuti pavanohwina moda kutora 10% munorambira Minister of Finance kwenesu hatizvipi hazviko. Number 2,
now it really makes sense kuti what this man is saying kuti guys ngatisatekesana pamari yema betting and all of that. The reason being that a lot of folk that you see vanenge vari kumozi, they are unemployed, and betting is one way of them trying to get some money. Of course, it's not all of them that get money, but most of the guys vanenge vari kubetting vanenge vaitotsvagawo mari yekuti vararame, and betting is the way to go. For your own information, you know, Potras released some information not so long ago saying that 2 sites that are most searched in Zimbabwe. Number 1 is betting. Number 2 is porn. And then other, then boil down below. So it's very, very true that a lot of Zimbabweans are betting. This is not only just for Zimbabwe. If you go to Kenya, the numbers are even staggering. If you go to Nigeria, the numbers are even staggering. Yes, it's an addiction that we cannot wish away, but it is a way of life that people have found. The best way is not, if they are saying they want to discourage people from betting because they know maybe it is addictive, but it is a way of the government trying to get money from the people. I don't think it will end well. But what do you make of this move by the government to tax money from betting? I know people are saying to USA they are doing it, but look at the economy of USA. Look at what they are providing in terms of children. They go to school for free. These people that we are going, that betting, they do not have the privileges that people in the US or in the other governments are getting. Look at their electricity. They have electricity all day. Look at their unemployment rate. It is low compared to Zimbabwe. So we never should compare Zimbabwe versus the US or the rich countries. It must be done rationally. What do you make of this issue of taxing bettors? I'd love to hear your thoughts.